Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to speak about 25 interesting animal facts. Blue whale is not only the largest marine mammal on earth but also the loudest. Its call may be heard for hundreds of kilometers around. The biggest fish in the ocean is the whale shark, which is 12 meters in length. Adult male polar bears are the largest land carnivore in the world, stand tall at an average length of 3 meters. Polar bear's skin is actually black in color and its hairs are hollow. The largest reptile is the saltwater crocodile, reaching lengths of 2 meters and weighs of 1000 kilograms. Saltwater crocodiles sleep with one eye open, called as unihemispheric sleeping. This involves only shutting down one half of their brain and keeping the other alert to any nearby danger. They are as old as dinosaurs. They first appeared over 40 million years ago. The largest bird in the world is ostrich. It reaches heights of up to 3 meters and weighs around 145 kilograms. That's 23 times the size of chicken eggs. Ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. As it has a long neck, it is also called as camel bird. An albatross is the largest seabird in the world. It has an incredible wingspan that can reach up to 3.35 meters, the longest of any bird. Capybaras is the largest rodent. It is nearly 1.2 meters tall and can weigh nearly 66 kilograms. Chinese giant salamander is the biggest amphibian in the world. It can grow up to 1.8 meter in length and weighs 50 kilograms on average. Largest bivalve mollusks reaching lengths of up to 1.2 meter and weighing more than 227 kilograms. The largest bivalve mollusks are the giant clam. South America's green anaconda is the largest snake in the world. The cheetah is the fastest animal on land, as it can reach speeds of 112 km per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars in the world today. Pronghorns have great eyesight with a nearly 360-degree field of vision to help them evade predators such as wolves and bobcats. Yellowfin tuna are extremely strong swimmers. They can reach a speed up to 75 km per hour, making them one of the fastest fishes in the sea. Frigate bird has the ability to fly for weeks continuous, and its large 8-foot wingspan and has the largest wing surface area compared to its body weight of any bird. Starfish don't have blood. They have a circulatory system made up primarily of seawater. Starfish can regenerate their arms and legs. Banana slugs are among the smallest creatures on the planet. It moves 6.5 inches per minute. The banana slug is named for its resemblance to a ripe banana. Rougheye rockfish are among the longest lived marine fish species, some of them recorded as old as 205 years. Barbados thread snake is the smallest snake in the world, 10 cm long and 50 mg weight. The fierce fork-tongued Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard. Male measures up to 3 meters long and weigh about 90 kilograms. Eastern gorilla is the largest living primate with the average adult male weighing around 160 kg and standing at 1.7 meters. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and for more updates subscribe to our channel.